Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a romantic vibe photo in EPIK photo editor. So here I've already on EPIK, and what you need to do next is go to template, and here at the category find the romantic category. Just swipe until you find this one, romantic. Click on that, and here you can see there are so many templates that you can use as the romantic vibe photo to apply to your own photo. So for example, I want to use okay, so this one's right here. Just click on a template and then click on use now, and here choose the photo that you want to add to the template. For example, I want to apply this photo, so just click on the photo and then wait for the templates and effects to apply to your photo. Okay, so it's now loading like this. So here the template has been applied to your photo, and here is the before, and this is what the after looks like. And if you like with the result, just click on this arrow to download it to your album. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.